Hey AutoCo family! Today I'm thrilled to bring you an exclusive first look at Lexus's highly anticipated LFR Supercar, the spiritual successor to the iconic LFA. After years of speculation and countless prototypes, the LFR is finally stepping into the spotlight with a bold combination of cutting-edge hybrid technology and jaw-dropping design. Buckle up because we're diving deep into everything we know so far about this masterpiece from Lexus. The Lexus LFR has transitioned from track-only prototypes to a fully street-legal beast, and we've got the latest details straight from its recent sightings at the Nürburgring. If you've been following this car's development, you'll know that it's an evolution of the Toyota GR-GT3 coupe concept revealed in 2020 with a V8 hybrid powertrain and a design philosophy that screams flagship performance. Let's unpack the highlights of this upcoming Japanese supercar. The LFR retains its track-bred proportions, including that dramatic long hood reminiscent of legends like the Dodge Viper and Mercedes SLS. But Lexus has taken great care to soften some of the more extreme elements of the GT3 race car to make the LFR more road-friendly. Front fascia. The gaping air intakes have been reworked into a sleeker, more refined design. Hood and vents. Subtle tweaks tone down the aggressive canards and fender gills, creating a cleaner look. Rear styling. The oversized racing wing has been replaced with a fixed spoiler that's both functional and stylish. Redesigned rear intakes and a reshaped diffuser complete the sophisticated yet sporty look. Interestingly, Lexus is testing two rear spoiler setups, likely experimenting with aerodynamic performance for both high-speed stability and street usability. For the first time, we're getting a peek inside the LFR, and while it's still a work in progress, a few details are standing out. Digital cockpit. A fully digital, rounded speedometer takes center stage, promising a futuristic driver experience. Camera-based rear-view system. Lexus integrates a rear-facing camera with displays mounted on the dashboard, a nod to modern tech and aerodynamics. Functional center console. The console houses an electronic parking brake, automatic gear shifter, and climate control switches, keeping the layout minimal yet functional. Though not finalized, the interior hints at a design that balances luxury with track-ready practicality. It's official, the Lexus LFR will feature a V8 hybrid powertrain. Spy shots confirm the car can glide in near silence before the rumble of its combustion engine kicks in, a tantalizing hint of its dual personality. While Lexus hasn't released detailed specs yet, it's clear they're building on the foundation of the GT3 race car's twin-turbo V8, blending power and efficiency. On the Nürburgring, early prototypes are already clocking sub-8-minute lap times, even in their development phase. While this might not sound groundbreaking compared to hot hatches like the Civic Type R, remember, this is just the beginning. As testing continues, expect those times to drop significantly. The LFR isn't just a successor to the LFA, it's a statement that Lexus is ready to push the boundaries of what a Japanese supercar can achieve. So, what do you think, AutoCo family? Can the LFR take on the supercar giants, or does it still have more to prove? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this groundbreaking supercar. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your passion for cars alive.